Taylor here, your Backstage Beautician, and today we're filming the conclusion of our 4-part series of Little Women hairstyles. Today we'll be doing the hairstyle that I wear in the show when I play Meg. I have had such a blast being a part of Blue Water Theatre Company's production of Little Women, and I am so grateful to all of my friends for letting me do their hairstyles for the show on my channel. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I did was throw my hot rollers in my hair. I find a little bit of curl helps this style hold better, but it also makes it easier to put together because you're not fighting straight hair. The musical Little Women is set in the 1860s when the Civil War would have been taking place here in America. Then I parted my hair down the middle of my head. You'll want a pretty severe middle part for this time period. Then I'm going to create big twists on either side of my head. So take the section of hair closest to your face and to your part. Start by twisting away from your head a few times. Then holding the twist with one hand, add more hair to the twist with your other hand. Keep twisting, adding more hair and twisting as you go until you come around to the back of your head and the nape of your neck. All of these hairstyles are inspired by actual hairstyles and elements of those hairstyles that women would have worn in this time period. Make sure to pull wispies out from around your face if you want them. I'm going to puff my twist forward just a little bit so it's less severe. Then take where you stop twisting, add a few more tight twists for security. Then take the bobby pin, then secure the last piece of hair you added to your twist. Then we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. So take the section by your face and your part, start twisting, and add all of the hair in front of your ears and all of the hair a few inches behind your ears. Things such as middle parts, twists, and updos would have been very commonly worn by women of this time period. Then fluff the twist out a bit, twist a few extra inches, and bobby pin for security. Take your bobby pin and catch the last pieces of hair you added to the twist. And once you have your twists secure how you like them, I'm going to add a bobby pin to the middle of each twist to secure them to my head. When I'm running around on stage, these twists typically will start to fall out or flop around or get in the way. This is why we wanted to twist just a few additional times at the end, because then you can be confident that the last few pieces of hair you added to the twist will be very tight and will hold everything in place. Alright, once your twists are secure, we can move on to the fun part, making the bun of hair in the back of the head. I'm going to create this bun by making a mass of curls on the back of my head. And I do this by grabbing a small section of hair, twisting it around 2 fingers. If your hair is already curled, it should naturally twist around your fingers pretty easily. And then I will pin the underside of that small twist to the hair. We're not creating a pin curl flat against our head, but raised curls, so pin just one side of it to your head. This part is also fun because it's your chance to play. You can add as many or few curls as you like or as your hair will allow, and you can make the bun as big or as small as you want, any shape that you want. Just keep adding and twisting hair until you get a look that you like. You want to make these curls go in all different directions. If they all go up and down, then you're going to create a big roll. So have some going sideways, diagonal, downwards. Whichever differences you can think of will help this look more organic. Don't be afraid to take breaks and check how your bun is coming together in the mirror from time to time. You want to make sure you're happy with this look and the shape of it all. And sometimes when you get to the end, you have to find you start all over. So it's better just to check your work as you go. Once you're happy with the way your mass of curls looks, just add a bit of hairspray to secure it into place. One little trick I like to do for stage styles that I want to share with you guys is take these little wispies that you have hanging down by your face and add a bit of oil to them. I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Eleve Extraordinary Oil. Take just the tiniest bit in your hands and then run it through these wispies. This will help keep the wispies together, looking nice and tamed, and also look intentional. And that's all she styled. If you guys enjoyed today's video, maybe consider pressing the subscribe button down below so that you never miss a new video from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, break a leg on your production of Little Women.